It appears that the two young green herons have been left on their own in a pond full of frogs with the adults taken off, because all you ever see is two of them anymore. And they seem to chase around and show up in the same places and then fly off, and I'm not sure what's going on with all of it. But anyways, both of the green herons were around today, and this one is the one we've been watching. And then all of a sudden, the other one will fly in and set off a little bit of a chase scene. A little while later, they're both on the other side of the pond, and you can see both of them on the turtle tree, and then you'll see each of them individually. Painted turtles were seen in several places around the pond. There were like 5 or 6 visible today. From all the way across the pond, I was able to get a picture of the Kingfisher. I was far enough away that it didn't pay me any attention, which was rather nice. And another noontime visit to the small fall fish in the Mashassack River.